The name of the candidate who get highest marks in each subject in science stream. Divya Binu Matthew in English subject score a total of 94 out of 100. MD Shahan Ahmed alternative English score 86 mark out of 100. Dia Mir Sahan Hussein in Assamese subject 92 marks. Tanme Paul in Bengali subject 88 marks. Pibalai CH Marak in Garo subject 82 marks. Ayanang Rabha in Hindi subject 88 marks. Vanessa Dolly Soklet in Khasi subject 95 marks. Napi Banroy Mukim in Khasi subject 95 marks. Sai Mingpui in Mizo subject 65 marks. Purnima Suba Nepali subject 92 marks. Britlian Jisangma in agriculture subject 74 marks. Tuara M. Marak agriculture subject 74 marks. Saksham Mangal anthropology subject 91 marks. I Jinkman Shisha shooting beauty and wellness subject 82 marks. Divya Binu Matthew in biology subject 95 marks. Arnab Datta and Steffi Niza W. Snaitang in chemistry subject 99 marks. Josiah Karpuri Wankar, Arnab Datta, Sumitra Jha in computer science subject they scored 98 marks out of 100. Jet Wycliffe Tongper in electronic and hardware 90 marks. Lakentiu Namswer in geography 89 marks. Loftison S. Mutho in geology 82 marks. Elasterson Marwain in healthcare 91 marks. Rila Akor Kimdej home science 97 marks. Darian Meai Ringhang information technology 98 marks. Subham Das in mathematics 100. Rakul Das Bishwadip Nath in mathematics 100 marks out of 100. Pila Rihun Wanroy in physical education 95 marks. Arnab Datta and Steffi Niza W. Snaitang in physics subject 97 marks out of 100. And Bashongdor Lingdo Thaba in statistics 55 marks out of 100. Chiam Fabrian M. Marak in tourism and hospitality 84 marks out of 100. So that's all. Thank you.